morning, I'm Mike with Clean Air Duct Cleaning, and today I'm going to show you the process of dryer vent cleaning. First, we detach the flex hose from the dryer, attach our adapter to the back of the flex hose, make sure that the vacuum is attached to that. On the vacuum. Now the second part of the process in the dryer vent cleaning is to get on the roof, find the gooseneck where the dryer vents out. Sometimes there's a screen in it. In this case, this one does have one. We take those out because it has a tendency to create a paper mache like clog. And those are supposed to be removed when this is the dryer vent. You use compressed air to push everything towards the vacuum at the bottom.